Hey guys, so for the past couple of weeks, we've talked about personal narrative writing. And remember, personal narrative writing is a story about yourself, something that you're telling about an experience that you had. For instance, I, me can be some of the words that you may use in that writing. So we've talked about how to take it from a watermelon, which is a big story, down to the seed. So we take it from the watermelon, a slice out of that. So if it's a birthday party, the slice might be your presents, and then the little seed may be your favorite gift that you got, or the most important thing that you got. So today, I'm going to have you start writing um, about making a kind of a seed story, is kind of what we call it. So you're going to pick one of your seed ideas, and I want you to write your story based off that idea about something that happened to you. Because yesterday you had the paper, I gave you another sheet, and it had the three columns, the watermelon, the slice, and the seed. I want you to pick one thing out of the seed that you were excited to write about, and I want you to write your story down, okay? Put it in on this Google Doc because that way I can see it since I'm at home, and you can we can edit it as well, okay? Let me know if you have any questions.